I want to show you exactly what I use exactly to clean these apartments. So one of the things that I say is get one of these. And I want you to get one of these because you don't tip your hands. That's why I say good products is better than the cheaper one. So you can go to the dollar store and you can see them real little thin ones and you get to rub them out. But these right here, you can scrub and you can get it good and you can put more force into it. So this is right here. This right here, definitely. I always keep this. It's great on grease. So just use like a little tip. Alright, this right here, OxyClean for the bathroom when it's come. When you start to do residentials and you do in the bathroom, this right here, this you spray it on there and you leave it there, and it takes everything out, right? So this is good. Kaboom. This here is what I do, Glue Gun Oven Cleaner. I also use this Easy On Oven Cleaner. I actually like this here, but Lee likes this here. My manager like this here, but I like this too. So I try both of them to see which one is better. But I definitely use these right here. And I spray it on there, leave it, sit there, and then I use this right here and scrub it. And you know what I mean? And it knocks it on out. Boom. Chloride or bleach. I use something with bleach in it. Sometimes I hardly use bleach unless when I'm in residential. In commercial, we don't use bleach too much. But residential, inside the toilet, I spray it on down and go and get to it. Bleach is definitely good. Alright. Here, Lysol cleaner. That's the one I use it for the mopping. So I put this in and I mop with this cleaner. I don't go all the way around. Well, I do go all the way around, but I don't think you have to go all the way around. And I'm saying that because of I use better chemicals, so I think you just need a little bit around there, and then you go ahead and make it work. Don't let it squish on down in the toilet, because I done that before and put it around, and then it went all down the toilet. I'm like, darn, I done wasted all my chemicals. So you just want to get a little bit of that, and then you want to do that. For Windex, I use that, of course. I keep something like glue going on in case I have some paint or something else that I need to remove or something. Like this whole thing right here, if you look at it, we don't have to get all this. There's too much paint from them. We just sweeping and mopping. But it's like when I get to some of my buildings, they may have something that I can get off and I just use this. You know, so glue gun is good. I keep an eraser. Keep an eraser. Eraser's amazing. So sometimes on the side of the refrigerator, if you just lightly rub it, if you press the eraser too hard, it's gonna tear up quickly. So I just barely dip it and then lightly just rub it on down, boom, wipe it on, and then take it out and make it white. I use some stainless steel cleaner for when I do my stainless steel. I have stainless steel cleaner and I use a clean microfiber and I lightly spray it and then I wipe it in like a back and forth motion. That way it can kind of limit the smears that I have on it, and then I go back with a dry rag sometimes and wipe it up so it don't smear. I do that. This right here, I think she has something in there. Bars Keeper Friend is a great and it's amazing for just rust and stuff. Like when I do the toilets, when I get real detailed with the toilet, I have a piece of sandpaper. I have sandpaper, put my glove on sandpaper, and I put just a tip of this. I flush the toilet, shut the water off, so the water can't get back in there, and then I clean it with that, and then it'll take the whole thing, make it look brand new. So those are some tricks that I do right here. I spray this a little bit. See, I spray. I use this. Now you there. I ain't even put no water on it. Now, in here, looking into the bathroom, one thing we look at, make sure we get the vents up here. We do the vents, the tops of these right here. Now, I will change this rag when I do the toilet. Because I usually do this rag for the toilet. When I hit the bathroom, those are rags, I don't mess with them else either. But when I do this room here, I get that up there, wipe the tops of these. I get this, I hit this up here, he gonna come paint. I hit this window sill in here like I was just talking about. I do the same thing with the windows. I wipe the windows down and then I open this up and I get this side too. Because when they open up the windows, they still want to see, they want to be clean because all this stuff in there. So I do that. I wipe this part of the windows off. I do that whole thing. But I didn't do the detail. Like, it'll be a little bit more detail. Probably take another 10 minutes maybe. If you do the toilet, you know, you gotta get the toilet and I get all the way around the back. I make sure I get all the way around the back of the toilet. A lot of times people forget down here on the bottom here. So I get the bottom of that. She did not. So whoever did the bathroom did good. So that get done, but people will miss that. And the front, people miss the front, wiping off the front. So those things are to be looked at, and then you're done. Oh, these right here. Wiping these off. Again, same thing. Now I change water after this. Same thing here. I said that in the verse before right here about doing the vent. Make sure you get the vents in there. The brush. Okay. So you want to make, if it's thick, you can use a brush, or yeah, I use a brush. Sometimes you can just fan it up there because sometimes it's not as dusty. But if they got paint and stuff on there, then I get up there with like a brush and then I'll brush it on through there. That way the bristles can actually get inside of there and knock all that stuff down. I just be doing it because I'm a cleaner, so that's how I build my business. I want to be going extra. I want to go the extra mile. I want to be better than everybody else. So if you want to be better than everybody else, stay following my channel and we're going to get you together.